How is everybody today? We're here at Xtreme Polishing Systems headquarters in Deerfield Beach, Florida, and we're introducing the latest and the greatest in floor polishing technology with our Z5 Turbo grinder. This is an excellent machine that's going to be used in the rental yard markets and is great for small homeowner projects, good for small contractors that have to do polishing on second and third stories where they can't get a particular machine that they may have right now. This machine will polish 500 square feet a day, going through the full mechanical steps, which is 3 metal bond grinds and 5 polishing, all the way up to 800, which will get you to a gloss. This is Ed Richards. He's going to get the machine going here. We have a 6 grit metal bond diamond right now. We're doing a removal of some past dyes that have been done on this concrete floor. This machine's a very quiet machine. It's got a 3 horsepower motor on it. It's manufactured in Sweden. This machine is made in Sweden. The vacuum that is the V5 vacuum from Xtreme Polishing is made in the United States of America. It's important that people see exactly that this is a 6 grit metal bond, but to your concrete, that it gives you a nice salt and pepper look. If you can zoom in on the salt and pepper look. You can see the scratches here. This is a 6 grit diamond scratch pattern. You're going to progressively go up to 16, to 30, to 70, to 120 when you start down at 6 grit if you want to expose aggregate. This machine here, you can put in a regular truck. It's 110 hookup, so a lot of the larger machines on the market, there's always problems with electricity running a 3-phase machine. This is 110. You can plug it into any extension in any residential house or commercial project. Small cord, very lightweight. This is a weight, it's a horseshoe weight that's on the front that you can take off. If you're going to be doing straight polishing, the weight is not required. When you metal bond grinding takes up probably 2/3 of the project time. It's also the most important steps when you are doing a polished concrete floor. A planetary machine. Other machines on the market are planetary, such as HTC. This machine weighs 250 pounds. It's very easy to maneuver around. All right, for more information on the Xtreme Polishing system, go to our website, which you're already on. Browse through the store. If you're looking to have somebody do this in your local area, just simply go to the homepage, punch in your zip code, and I'll give you people that do the Xtreme Polish in your local area. Thanks a lot and have a good day.